Welcome to the world of melons, where accessibility is key. Whether you're a melon lover or new to the fruit, this video will show you just how easy it is to enjoy melons for everyone. Melons are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients. They're a great source of hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants. Melons are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Enjoy them as a snack, in salads, smoothies, or even as a refreshing summer drink. Melons are not only delicious, but they also make for a visually appealing addition to any dish. Their vibrant colors and refreshing taste can elevate any meal. Melons are not only delicious on their own, but they can also be combined with other ingredients to create unique and flavorful recipes. Melons are a symbol of summer and outdoor fun. They're perfect for picnics, barbecues, and any gathering with friends and family. Melons are a natural source of hydration. Their high water content makes them the perfect choice to quench your thirst and stay refreshed. Melons are a guilt-free indulgence. They're low in calories and fat, making them a healthy choice for those watching their weight. Melons are a natural source of sweetness. Their natural sugars provide a healthier alternative to processed sweets and desserts. Melons are a gift from nature. Their natural goodness and refreshing qualities make them a must-have in your daily diet. Melons are more than just a fruit. They're a symbol of happiness, health, and the simple pleasures in life.